Don't go too far that way.
Yikes. Oh, I turned it, but we can't see it anyway.
Hi, Bear. Have a seat.
Good morning.
Morning.
Cheers. Love
Cheers.
you.
Love you.
Good morning, everybody.
Love y'all.
Happy Christmas time. Thanksgiving's over. Halloween's over. It's Christmas time. Oh, and maybe Santa will get us some new chairs. If you can't tell, these are pretty rough shape. We're barely sitting on threads. Oh, welcome everybody.
Is my hat erect or not?
No. We'll leave it there.
Maybe Santa will bring me a... Never mind.
Thank you all for watching, being here, subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please. We need our other hats on.
Yeah, it's hard to see that. Bright sunshine.
If you
Hey,
haven't
but we're not
subscribed-
complaining. We like the bright sunshine and no wind.
Shh, don't tell the wind. Shh.
Holy cow. We finally got a day with no wind.
As I was saying, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and please click the bell to make sure you get notifications every time we put out a video. Please like and share and comment.
Hey.
I'd like to hear your comments.
I got a question for you.
Yeah.
What word starts with E, what word ends with E, but only has one letter in it?
One letter in it.
Mm-hmm.
An E. It's I. Envelope.
Well, crap.
Is that right?
You had to say it, didn't you? Golly. I was going to have this go through the whole darn show this morning and then give them the answer at the end. Thanks a lot.
Well, I signed that one with the kiss.
Which is
Sealed
faster,
it.
hot or cold? Do you know? Which is faster, hot or cold?
Faster, hot, or cold?
Yeah. Hot is faster. You can catch a cold.
Okay, you got me on that one. Your hat like that looks like a jester. A jester
Well,
hat.
what do you expect? You get what you pay for.
That's right, y'all. We hope that you had a very nice Thanksgiving. We had a nice, quiet one. Let's see here. Last Saturday, we chatted with you. We did kind of our usual relax.
Yeah.
I do card stuff. You do video stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And same kind of thing on Sunday. And we did some cleaning. Got some stuff done. Monday, we both worked. We were outside in the sunshine. We actually had a decent day. We went and ran some errands. What? Oh, it's part of our chair.
Part of my chair. It's,
They're both falling apart. This one's duct taped.
holy cow.
Gorilla taped.
Santa better bring us some chairs. We're about to fall through the bottom.
Yes, we are.
We need new chairs.
Tuesday, we actually went and did something. We went to Valley of Fire, finally.
Hey, that place is really incredible. It's beautiful. Dave
is
from Our
pretty.
Endeavor has been trying to get us to go there for how many years?
The same as coming up
Just
here.
crazy. So we did that, and that video is going to come out in like 3 weeks on a Wednesday. And it's just going to be mostly pictures and videos, very little talking, just showing you the area.
There were quite a few people there that day.
Yeah, we were
So-
surprised it was so busy on a
Yep,
weekday.
yeah.
But it was Thanksgiving week. Everybody's out. Everybody's on vacation.
Yep.
Everybody's taking holiday. So, hey,
Yeah,
it is what it is, right?
it is. So we had a nice day going there.
Yeah, that was fun.
And Wednesday, I made pumpkin bread for Thanksgiving.
Oh my gosh, it was
Yum,
so
yum,
good.
yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Yummy.
Yep. We gave a loaf to Dave. And that night, though,
The
the
wind
wind.
kicked up. It's been windy almost every day that we've been here.
higher percentage of windy days than nice days like this.
Yeah. Like 3 days. We've been here 2 full weeks as of today. As of yesterday, 2 full weeks. Another day extra today. and we've had 3 days that you can actually sit outside. It's just been blustery, cold for this area. Temperatures in the 50s in the day, and
What was it early this morning?
29 this morning.
Ooh, chilly.
29.
Chilly.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, so Thanksgiving was just kind of quiet. I did my traditional gotta watch Miracle on 34th Street. It's the first traditional Christmas movie that we watch every year. We watch other ones, you know, like that have been on Hallmark or whatever, but the traditional ones. So always start with that, and we had our dinner early, and we watched Christmas Vacation.
Gotta watch Christmas Vacation.
So we watched that while we ate dinner, and then afterwards we went over to see Dave and Bonnie. We played some Mexican Train. They had their dinner a little early too, so we went and did that with them. And then yesterday I did a little bit of work, and then we packed up all of our stuff that was outside and inside because today's a travel day.
Of course, it's a Saturday. Who schedules these things? I need to talk to that idiot.
Again. But we cannot check into our next place until 2 o'clock. So where we're headed.
Yeah.
And then yesterday evening we had like happy hour in Mexican Train to finish our game over at Dave's. So we have a travel day again today. So therefore this is going to be a quick video. We hope you all had a great Thanksgiving, and welcome to Christmas time.
Here it is. And with that, there are links below to Techno RV. They have a huge Black Friday sale that is continuing. Some of their items are actually up to 50% off.
Ooh,
so
nice.
Click through our link below. Same thing with Bonfire. We've got all of our shirts and everything there for you to go see. You can actually click through our store now. Right below this video, there should be pictures of all our stuff. Just click one of them. It'll take you right to our Bonfire merch store. And anything else? Oh, Harvest Host and Boondockers welcome. 30% off. Friends, the number 30. If you use that code, click through our link below and use that code, you get 30% off. That means you're going to get the $100 package for like $69 and some odd cents. So that's not bad at all. And you can either get Harvest Host, the low grade package, or Boondockers welcome, one of the two. 30% off. Friends 30 is what you use for a code when you type that in, but you have to use our link below so we get credit for it. Check that out. Check it out.
Awesome.
It's all part of the holiday spirit.
We're a little dingy. More today than normal.
Yeah, that's the way it goes.
All right, everybody, have a great week.
Thanks for watching.
See ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Oh, I'm blinded by the sun.
You sound like Manfred Mann. Blinded by the light, wrapped up like a